Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the recent performance of India core sector industries. Core sector growth slows in May. The growth in the output of the eight key infrastructure industries, collectively known as core sector, has slowed to 6.3% in May from 6.7% in April. This slowdown is primarily due to a sequential deceleration in the output growth of six of the sectors. Sector performance breakdown. According to the data released by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry on Friday, May saw a deceleration in the output of several sectors. Natural gas growth slowed to 7.5%. Refinery products growth slowed to 0.5%. Steel growth slowed to 7.6%. Additionally, some sectors experienced a contraction in output. Fertilizer decreased by 1.7%. Cement decreased by 0.8%. Crude oil decreased by 1.1%. Positive growth in coal and electricity. However, it was not all negative news. The output of coal and electricity saw significant growth. Coal increased by 10.2%. Electricity increased by 12.8%. Context and comparison. To provide some context, in May 2023, the core sector had recorded a growth of 5.2%. Expert insights. Madan Sabnavis, chief economist at the Bank of Baroda, explained that power sector growth was mainly due to heat wave, which led to higher demand for electricity. This higher power generation also boosted coal production. On the other hand, cement production fell due to strong double-digit base effect from the last year and a slowdown in the government capital expenditure, which affected some projects involving cement. Fertilizer production was down because there were adequate stocks available for the Kharif season. Additionally, crude oil and refinery products witnessed slow and negative growth mainly due to lower demand for diesel. Aditi Nair, chief economist at ICRA Ratings, noted that while core sector growth remained above 6% for the fourth consecutive month, it did ease slightly. This easing was led by all the constituents except electricity and coal. Overall performance. For the first 2 months of financial year, the growth in the output of the core industries stood at 6.5%. The eight core industries account for 40.2% of the weights of item included in the Index of Industrial Production, also known as IIP, making their performance crucial to the overall index. That's all for today update. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more financial news and updates.